Can liberal judges demonstrate judicial restraint? Imagine a judge sitting quietly, carefully listening, and choosing to keep their personal opinions out of the courtroom. That's the essence of judicial restraint. It's about judges limiting their power and respecting the decisions made by elected lawmakers. They do this by sticking closely to the law and previous court rulings, known as precedent. They avoid making broad rulings that could change social norms or create new rights unless the law is clearly unconstitutional. This approach helps maintain stability in society and respects the democratic process. Liberal judges, like any judges, can show judicial restraint if they follow these principles. It's not about political beliefs but about how they interpret the law. Some liberal judges have been known to defer to legislatures and focus on the specific facts of each case instead of making sweeping decisions. For example, they might uphold existing laws and avoid overreach unless there's a clear legal reason to do otherwise. However, when it comes to promoting traditional family values and the role of women in conservative politics, there's often skepticism. Critics say liberal judges tend to favor judicial activism, which means they might expand rights or change social norms based on personal or political views. This can conflict with conservative principles that emphasize preserving traditional social structures and gender roles. Conservative core principles often support the idea that laws should be made by elected representatives, not courts. This aligns with the belief that judicial restraint helps protect these values. By respecting the legislative process, judges help keep societal changes within the bounds of democratic decision-making. This is especially important when it comes to issues like family and gender roles, where conservatives see the law as a way to uphold societal stability. In summary, liberal judges can demonstrate judicial restraint if they choose to limit their rulings and respect legislative authority. But from a conservative point of view, true judicial restraint supports maintaining traditional social values through laws created by elected officials. It's about balancing the power of courts with the will of the people, especially when it comes to protecting the family and societal roles that conservatives cherish.